Talent. Where does it come from? Good evening, my name is Sylvia St. Croix. Ah, talent. Where does it come from? Is it a product of environment, something you pick up off the street? Or is talent something you're born with, something passed down from generation to generation, something in the blood? I wonder. Meet Judy Denmark. Pretty, isn't she? A wife and mother leading an idyllic suburban life, and although Judy has absolutely no talent whatsoever, her only child, her daughter Tina, has been blessed with a great deal of talent. Blessed? Or dare I say cursed? But I'm getting ahead of myself.
I get it.
Hello, Mrs. Peters. How's that? Tina brought you flowers from our garden. Yes, she's a special girl. We're very proud of her. Thank you for calling goodbye.
I get it.
Hello, yes, this is Tina's mother. Hello, Mrs. Miller. How's that? Tina helped you do a load of laundry. Well, she's so fond of you. She likes your husband too. Thank you for calling goodbye. Tina's mother here. Hi, Mrs. Adams. A party? I'll tell her she's invited. Tina's mother here. Sorry, Mrs. Adams. That's Saturday at 4. I'm sure she'll be delighted. Bye. I could have been an office girl, a wizard at dictation, working 50 weeks a year, 2 weeks paid vacation. I could have been a teacher teaching one thing or another, but I'm proud to be what I am, Tina's mother. I get it. Hello, yes, this is Tina's mother. Hello, Mrs. Farmer. How's that? Tina sang a song to your blind mother. She's so compassionate and so darn talented, and that's the half of it. Her room is always neat. I thank my lucky star she's positively heaven sent. My kids the perfect. Hey, you're on. Yes, she's enthralling. Thank you for calling goodbye. I get it. Hello. Hello. Hello?
Mrs. Denmark, Mrs. Judy Denmark.
Why, yes. I'm Judy. I'm Judy Denmark. Judy Denmark. That's my name, Judy. Judy Denmark.
Tina's mother.
That's me.
My card.
I'm afraid mine are being printed. Won't you come in, Miss St. Croix?
Oh, please, call me Sylvia.
Sylvia St. Croix. Are you French?
St. Croix is a stage name.
Ah.
My real name is Sylvia St. Sydney.
Oh.
Need I say more? My, what a beautiful home.
Thank you, Sylvia.
Lovely curtains.
Thank you, Sylvia.
That's a smart dress.
Oh, thank you, Sylvia.
And, doesn't this look delicious?
It's toast, Sylvia.
Denmark. What sort of a name is Denmark?
I'm not sure. Danish?
No thanks, the toast will be fine. Is your husband at home?
Frederick! I'm afraid not.
Working.
I hope so.
Pity. I do so like speaking with both parents. When will Mr. Denmark be returning?
Oh, it could be any minute.
Oh.
Or a couple of days.
Oh, dear.
A week.
A week?
A month.
A month?
Hard to say. He's a very busy man.
Well, what does Mr. Denmark do? Well, whatever it is, you must be terribly proud of him.
Uh-huh.
You're a very lucky girl, Judy Denmark.
I know. I'm a Libra.
This gorgeous home, a successful husband, whatever it is he does. Good toast. And of course, the very reason I'm here, your daughter Tina. I caught her performance at the Rolling Hills Twilight Home for the Elderly. Sensational.
We are very proud of our daughter.
It was a triumph.
If you'd like, I could arrange for her to perform for all of you again next Saturday.
I don't live there, Mrs. Denmark. I was visiting an elderly friend.
Sorry.
Now then, about Tina.
Would you like to meet her?
I'd love to.
Oh, I'll call her. She's out in the garage breaking in her new tap shoes.